be doing exercise. And listen to me, we have to do reading on Monday. Reading this textbook. Now we are doing exercise. I'll tell you the page number when we start, otherwise each one will ask, what is the page, ma'am? I will act like you. What is the page, ma'am? No, nothing. Now we will do slowly. If you have time, we'll do reading today. But I will tell you the page number. Yes, now we are going to start our class. Just observe.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
I just don't know what to say. Now,
Notebook. Which notebook?
please keep quiet and look at the screen, children. I am falling sick, actually. Really, I am sick. Before I could tell which book, which classwork, you just wait. You try to read. You're too small, so you don't listen to anybody. You just listen to me. Now, what is written on the thing, you just do that. Please turn off your microphone and webcam. That is the camera. Then only I will start.
Good morning.
Who said good morning now? I told you not to disturb me after 10:30, please. Effie. Now, look at the, please look at the screen. No need to talk to me, please. I will go back now. I'm not going to start anything. Please turn off your camera, everything. Take out your textbook, EVS. Then I will tell you which page to take. I have to tell you and you are not listening. Then the parents will whisper in your ears. Then you won't understand anything. Now, look at the screen. Which page to take? In your EVS textbook, page number 12. It's shown clearly. Don't write any answer because I am going to ask other children, those who didn't get chance now. Now, I'm going to ask other set of children. Now, I will ask one child and I'll ask whether the child is ready. Then I will start. Inian. Inian, can you help me, Inian? Are you ready for the class, Inian?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you ready? Okay, now. See, some TV is going on, I think. Listen. Now, listen. Good morning to everybody. Now, no more wishing. Start. Now, take same page. See, the same page is in your textbook. I want Inian to read the... Inian, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good morning, Inian. Now, you just read the heading over there. Let others listen. EVS.
This help
Classwork. No. Listen to me. No, listen to me. This is why I am giving you instruction. Heading on the screen. EVS.
EVS
Classwork.
EVS classwork page
12,
12
13.
and 13.
Let us answer.
Let us answer.
That's all. Now wait a minute. Okay, thank you. Now wait. Wait. Now you turn off your mic. Turn off your mic. 1 minute. Turn off your mic. Yes, good. Now I am going to ask. Now I'm asking you to listen to the question. Now look at current is gone. Look into
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Oh my God. Effie, you be quiet. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Thank
morning.
you,
Now, please keep quiet, children. 1 minute. There was a problem. Suddenly, power went off. Children, excuse me, children, parents, please turn off your mic because there was a shutdown now. I'm telling you, each one is screaming over the mic. Now, I want Jaciel is not there. Jake, can you help me reading the first question? Why are you turning on?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Jake. 1 minute, ma. I don't want any child to turn your mic. Anything happens on the screen because there will be some problem sometimes, not always. Everyone turned their mic on and started talking and laughing and this and that. Now, 1 minute, Jake. Good morning, Jake. Please read the first question, Jake.
This helps us to fight diseases.
Can you tell me the answer, Jake?
Food.
Thank you, Jake. See, you must listen to the children, those who are reading. How well this child read and told the answer without any whispering sound over there. Other parents also learn how to bring the children like this. I will help them if they don't know. Everybody speak. I am not able to hear anything. Now, thank you so much, Jake. And number two question goes to Jeshu Oliven. Jeshu, can you read the second question, Jeshu?
Yes, ma'am.
See, father is telling yes, ma'am. You speak, Jeshu. Jeshu, can you read? See, the problem is parents are so much worried, children are not answering. I want Jeshu to read the second question from your textbook. You don't know. I will help you, Jeshu. Now you know, parent, the child is not able to read. I will help him. Jeshu, read after me. These TH. No, you don't tell the spelling. Okay, I will tell. THEH. No, you don't read. THESE. These. Read. These are protective. PRO. Say after me. PRO. TE. CT. IVE. Protective. Now tell me what is FOOD? Food. Okay, now read together. These are, read.
These are
Protective food.
protective food.
Now, when you read the textbook, you will know you got the textbook. You must keep on reading it. You must read by yourself. Now, can you give me the answer for that now? Out of the given, if you don't know, you tell me. Out of the given 3 choice, Your choices are given there. Milk, dal, sugar, butter, grapes, apple. Which is the correct answer? Only Jeshu. You don't know Jeshu? Okay. Tell me.
Milk.
See, you know the answer. Milk, dal. That together. Now, you must read the lesson. I will read the full lesson on Monday with you. Before that, this 2-3 days, you have to read. I finished teaching you, but you were not able to read because you got the textbook now. Okay, thank you, Jeshu. You don't get scared, I'll help you. Now, Johan S. Thomas. Yes, Johan S. Thomas.
Ma'am.
Yes, say I am Johan. Is it Johan?
I'm Johan.
Say like that because when I say tell means all will tell ma'am. So I won't know whether it's Johan or anybody else. Okay. Can you read the third question, Johan? Third question.
We can
We can.
eat
Yes. Vegetable.
vegetable
Raw. Without cooking. Raw means not cooked, without cooking. Now, can you tell me the answer for it? Which vegetable you can eat raw over here? Can you eat brinjal? Answer. Now listen, I'm asking you question first. Can you eat brinjal raw? Johan, can you eat potato? No.
No.
Now, which one will you eat? Tell me. Tell the correct answer. You finish telling, you tell. It's not cucumber, it's cucumber. Tell cucumber. Say, children. No, sorry, Johan, tell cucumber. Say after me. Cucumber. See, very good. You must learn the correct pronunciation. Okay, cucumber. Now we finished all the three now. Okay, we finished all the three. Now 1 minute. You see whether you are. Did you write all this? Put the tick mark in your textbook, Johan. Hello. Yes. Did you?
Ma'am,
Did you?
I have a doubt.
Who's this now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Indian ma'am.
Indian
Milk
food.
and dal is bodybuilding food.
Listen, protective food. 1 minute.
Grapes and apple.
1 minute. Protective food. Fruits. Oh my God. Fruits. Okay. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. This is answer. Yes. Sorry. You just put these protective food is only fruits and vegetables, grapes and apple. Okay. All of you make the Tixie ma'am's answer is wrong. Sorry. I just found out protective food is grapes and apple. Sorry, grapes and apple. Never mind, okay? I made a mistake I was doing. Don't worry, I'll do it. Okay, one second. My mistake, I did it. Great. Thank you, Ian. Thank you. Yes. 1 second. Yes, 1 minute. 1 minute. Now it's right. You just check, okay? 1 minute. Milk and dal is bodybuilding and sugar butter is energy giving. Just put the tick wrong. Thank you, Ian. Now next one. Now everyone did it, children? No sound. Ian. Okay, thank you, Ma. Thank you. Now, next question goes to Jonathan. Jonathan,
Yes, ma'am.
are you ready? Now, see the next one. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Please see in your textbook. Textbook. Match the column to complete the sentence. Match the column to complete the sentence. Please take B. Okay. Now just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rice and jaggery, beetroot, junk food, drink, brush your teeth. The other said twice a day, unhealthy, energy giving food, can be eaten raw, clean water. Now, whom did I call? Jonathan Paul, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the first one, rice and jaggery? What is it?
Or energy giving food.
Thank you. See, already it's done over there. Okay, thank you, Ma. Now, second question goes to Judah. Beetroot. Just see how it's done here. You have to do beetroot. Only Judah. Beetroot. Tell me. Okay, thank you, Judah. You must tell like that. Beetroot. Tell me.
And beetroot can be eaten raw, ma'am.
Very good, Judah. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Beetroot can be eaten raw. Now, next question goes to Kabir Singh. Kabir Singh. Kabir. Kabir, are you there? Kabir. Not there. Now don't come again, Kabir, because I'm going to ask next person. Manu. Manu, can you help me? Manu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good, Manu. You must tell your name, Manu, because I'll think then Kabir is come back. Now read the third one, junk food. Read. Junk food. Say. Read. Sorry. Manu, read. Junk food. Why no answer? Manu? Okay.
And ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, tell me, read third question.
Junk food.
Junk food. What is the answer from the second column? Slowly. Twice a day is unhealthy. Clean water. Which is the correct answer? You must not take junk food.
Clean
What is
water.
the... No. Listen. You must not eat junk food. Very good. If it's wrong, no problem. Even ma'am made a mistake. Junk food. That means you must not...
Junk.
It's not healthy. So what is the word given there? Junk food. Tell. Twice a day is unhealthy. Clean water. Which is the correct answer? Not healthy. What is the word given? Junk food. Is? Tell me. Is? Manu. Junk food. Read, Manu. Don't worry. See, I showed the answer on the screen. Junk food is unhealthy. Don't know what happened to Manu. Now, after Manu, next person, Muhammad Faizan.
The junk food
Who's
is
this?
unhealthy.
Who's that? Is it Manu? Children, when you speak, tell your name, please. Junk food is unhealthy. Oh, who was that? Muhammad Faizan.
No, ma'am.
Children, when I call you, answer. Muhammad Faizan. Sugandhi. ഒന്നും വരുന്നില്ല. Okay, next person. Okay, okay. Now tell me, who's this person? Hello?
Ma'am, I'm Kanira, ma'am. Ma'am,
Kanira.
read. How can we be raw, ma'am?
You can eat beetroot, carrot, all that raw people will eat. Okay? Understood? Certain children, certain people will eat. Even I eat. Okay, now.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
that, okay, now I want Muhammad Faisal is not answering. Muhammad Faisal. Yes? Okay, leave it. In between, don't come, please. Now, next person. Abisha. Abisha.
Ma'am,
Yes, good morning, Abisha. Can you read the fourth one? Good morning, Abisha. I like you so much because you answer whether if it's wrong, and whenever I call you will come on the spot. Very good, Abisha. Drink. Okay. Fourth one you read. Drink. Drink.
clean water, ma'am.
Very good. I always drink clean water. Abisha, you also drink, okay? Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Fifth one read. Fifth one read. I'll call the name. Akshaya. After Abisha, Akshaya E. Akshaya. Yes? Akshaya, are you there? Akshaya. No, big class. Okay, okay. Now next one. Akshita. Akshita, no. Artrika. Artrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you help me reading the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Brush
Read.
your teeth
How many times?
twice a day.
Thank you. Okay. Now just check, children. Okay. See, children, especially when you go, it's all general, okay? When you go to foreign countries, they don't cook anything, even the cabbage, everything. They eat all those things raw. Only we cook. We cannot eat cabbage raw, it will smell. Like beetroot, carrot, many radish, all the things they eat raw. That only will give them nice health. So they all will be healthy. Now, all of you check this. We'll go to the next one. Now, just go to the, see all these small ones smiling. Tick the healthy food habits. Each one's food habit will be different. All may not have healthy food habits. See, like eating junk food and all, that's unhealthy. Now, I want Evelyn, read the first one. That picture is she. She washes her hands before meals. Evelyn, I want you to answer. So you have to put a tick or not, I want to know. Tick the healthy food habits. I'm not telling you to write true or false. Healthy food habits. Evelyn, what should I put there, Evelyn? Evelyn, many are not attending the class. Get here. Please get here. What happened? Israelina. Good morning. Very good. Don't get scared, Israelina. Now, I will read the first one and the same thing in your textbook. Now, she washes, instead of that girl's picture I must use, she washes her hands before meals. Should I put a tick mark over there? Is it a healthy food habit? Israelina?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Now I can put tick mark. Thank you, Israelina. Now next one, Jemima.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll read. He drinks water from the garden tap. Should I put a tick over there?
No, ma'am.
Yes, very bad. Thank you. Now, see, all these children are getting marked. Juana Sri, third one. I will read. Juana Sri. Yes, good. He never skips his breakfast. He never skips his breakfast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can put a tick. Next one. Pratika Advi, Pratika. He doesn't waste food. Is it a good food habit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Cholle. See, let her speak, please. He doesn't waste food. Thank you. Thank you so much. And you must not put anything. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Now we'll go to the next page. You see that let us do an activity. You can do it fast. You can do it. Yes, 1 minute. You do it fast. Then I will give you the answer. Though everybody can do. I will call one by one.
Ma'am,
According-
excuse me.
Yes, Ma.
I have some doubt, ma'am.
Tell, who's this?
Me, ma'am.
Name.
Susan, ma'am.
Okay, Sujin, tell me.
The last one in the question, it was showing C in my textbook and in your present, showing E, ma'am.
Never mind. Anyone can be, no problem. I just gave some picture. It's a girl or boy, no problem. I want you to see the sentence. That's all, okay? Because for me, it's so difficult to put all this, but still I put one boy. Never mind, okay? Girl or boy, that's what I use he. You can use she doesn't waste, okay? No problem. But the sentence should be correct or not, okay? Thank you. So that is over. Now take the next one. Now this one all of you take. You do it. Let me see who's finishing. I'll call one by one. Pictures are shown in your textbook. That's what I didn't show. Okay. Now, first one down. Don't say, please. First one down, it's carrot. Now, you'll call the name because children must be sleeping there. Let me call the name. First one is carrot. That's what that picture is shown. Second one, you write today's date. Let us do.
And that is tomato.
Listen, excuse me, please. See this child. Who's that now? I am giving you instruction. They are coming and tell you. I don't want anybody to answer. Now, please write today's date on let us do. Let us do. Write 24/7. And I will call one child now. I will give instruction to that. I want Rida Mehanas. Rida. I want Rida. Rida.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Rida. Now,
Good morning, ma'am.
Anybody else is talking in between, you will get nicely from me because from morning I'm telling not to disturb. And listen, I told you to take page number 13. And please fill in all that. You don't say yes, ma'am. I want Rida. Rida, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the second picture there? Some vegetable is drawn there in your textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is it? Tell me the name of it.
Carrot.
No, carrot, I finished telling the answer. Second one, number 2 in your textbook.
Mango.
Number two in your textbook 2, left side one picture. Number 2. No, baby. Starting with P.
Oh, that's ma'am. Potato. Potato.
Yes, that's what. Sia. That's what I was waiting. Your number 2 means number 2. Potato.
I have written, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. But listen, 1 minute. 1 minute, child. 1 minute. Listen, first of all the parents want their children to answer fast. We are not going to give anything. Let them learn how to do it. I asked her 5 times, second one, she was not able to tell. I will tell them what to do, please. Now, I want Rida, thank you.
Okay.
Rida, thank you, ma. Riha Jas. Rika, just third one. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Rika, she's not answering at all. I'll have to inform. Tanvi. Tanvi.
Ma'am?
Are you ready for the third question? Fast. No time.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you tell me the picture given in your... See the picture. Orange. What is it?
Orange.
Now tell me the answer.
ORANGE.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sandy. Sona, please help me to tell the fourth one. I'll show the picture.
Ma'am?
Yeah. Fourth one. Tell fast. Fourth one, Sona, in your textbook.
Mango.
Mango. It's not mango, it's mango. Now see the... Okay, thank you, Ma. See the spelling of mango. See somebody else. Wait now. -2. Wait. Now next one, Tangareknam. Thank you, Sona. Tangareknam. Yes, good morning, Tangareknam. Tell me the fifth one. 1 minute. Fourth one down. Fourth one down. One packet is there. What is it? What packet is that? Milk. Tangareknam. Thank you. The fifth one. Fifth one. Yes, I want Ange, John, Jacob. Other two children I'll call next time. Ange, John, Jacob. Are you there, Ange?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the fifth one. See the picture.
Egg.
Very good. Ange, I want everybody to do this. Thank you so much. Now don't scream. Thank you so much. Now you can leave the classroom and get ready for special class. Only the special class children. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It's me, Shreya. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Ma'am, do I have support class today? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.